This video will guide you through replacing the key fob battery in a 2007-2017 Jeep Compass. It's a simple DIY task that can save you money compared to dealership service. The process typically takes 5 to 10 minutes and will cover everything you need to know. The battery you will need is a CR2032. How do you know your key fob battery needs replacing? Common signs include a reduced operating range of less than 10 feet, intermittent button operation, or a low battery indicator appearing on your Jeep Compass's dashboard. If you experience any of these signs, it's time for a new battery. Check the back of your fob to identify the correct battery type. You'll only need a few basic tools, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the key fob casing. You'll also need a new 3V CR2032 coin cell battery, which typically costs $5 to $10 USD. Consider using anti-static precautions, like grounding yourself with a wrist strap to prevent damage to the fob's internal circuit board. Once the casing is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Take note of the battery's polarity, specifically which side is facing up, usually the positive side. Gently pry the old battery out of its compartment. Using a non-metal tool can help prevent short-circuiting. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment. Make sure the polarity matches the orientation of the old battery, with the positive side facing up. Place the battery into the compartment. It should snap easily into place with a secure fit. Double-check that the battery is securely seated in the compartment before proceeding. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob casing back together. Ensure the seam is fully closed and that there are no gaps. Test the key fob's functionality by pressing the buttons to lock and unlock your Jeep Compass. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and seating. In some cases, you may need to reprogram the key fob after replacing the battery. Try starting your Jeep. If it doesn't start, consult your owner's manual or use the Jeep Wave app for reprogramming instructions. Always dispose of the old battery responsibly according to local e-waste regulations. Carrying a spare battery is a good idea, especially for long trips.